Welcome back, guys. When I say I have missed you, I have missed you. And in today's video, we got something that I have been wanting since it first released for this year. My sneaker of the year. Let's get into it. Let's go right now. Let's get it. What is good, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy Nefred. I hope you guys are having a great day, and I hope you guys are having a very blessed day. Hold on, let's just go take let me take a minute real quick. Comment down below right now. Let me know how y'all been, because it's been a minute. It's been almost what, a month, and I haven't seen y'all, which is it's too hard. That's too long for me personally. I like to see you guys at least once a week, but you know, if you watched my last couple of videos, especially the one that which was called Intermission, I basically go and talk about how I was gone for completing school, and the kid finished school. So thank you guys so much, so much for your patience, so much for all your love, so much for your support. I can't thank y'all enough. I cannot thank y'all enough. In today's video, I am bringing you guys another sneaker review. I know it's been forever, but I'm back. And in today's video, like you saw in the beginning of the intro, we got probably my favorite sneaker of the year, hands down, hands down. So I really do hope you guys are gonna enjoy the video. Hope you guys are really excited as much as I am. Really quick too, before we actually get into this review, unboxing, and on feet, I need to tell y'all, thank you guys so much for the love and support that we literally have. You guys have been showing. The channel right now is like at 820, which is absurd, which is crazy, because when I first stopped on my little intermission, when I took a small little break, the channel was legitimately at like 650, 680, 690. Y'all flew past 700. 700 didn't even get a chance to see the light of day. Y'all just was like, yeah, you know, we're gonna support. Boom, y'all did that. We're currently at 800. Yo, I cannot thank y'all enough. You know, if you see my like previous videos, you know the goal for this year right now is a big 1K this year, and I just know we gonna get there because of y'all. We gonna get there because of y'all. So I just gotta, before we do anything, before we even like review anything, I gotta just tell you guys, I seriously appreciate the love and support that you guys show. Please, like, it really, you guys don't understand, it really means a lot. Comment down below and let me know how you guys are doing today on this beautiful Thursday. Like, let me know what's going on with your life, how are you been. I wanna get caught up with you guys, because I do miss y'all. I do miss you. So thank you guys so much for that. So without further ado, let's dive straight into this review. I'm gonna let you guys know right now, I'm just gonna go ahead and tell you, today we are looking at the Air Jordan 4 Taupe Haze, which released for February for 2021. And ever since this dropped, I struck out. There was a second chance on Nike, and I tried to go ahead and enter for that, and I couldn't. And I just wanted these so bad. The resale was just kind of low-key high on them, so I kind of waited. I waited. I was like, is it gonna drop? And it didn't drop. So I was like, you know what? I told myself, small little story. I told myself, if I finish school, I will buy these. I will legitimately buy these. And I bought them. So if you're close to me, then you already know exactly, you know, I need them. So I'm extremely, really blessed that I got these. I'm happy I finally got them. And I know I'm rambling, but I'm just extremely excited. So without further ado, let's dive straight into it. But first, if you don't know, I always try to be color coordinated with the product that I am reviewing, and I like to go ahead and actually match it with headbands that I'm wearing. So today's product is brown. Sadly, I could not find a brown headband, but we did go ahead and match it with a different color, which is black. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this headband on real quick, and we're gonna dive into these beautiful Taupe Hazes. Let's get it. Okay, we're back. We do got our black Jordan headband on, and without further ado, let's get into it. So we got our beautiful knife, orange. I would love to get a green one if I can find one. If you guys know where I can get good knives, comment down below and please let me know. Man, I'm actually really excited for these. I'm excited to be back bringing videos for you guys. I'm excited to I got these. Oh man. Comment down below also, let me know, has there been anything like recently that you've gotten? I know there's been so many dunks, those off-white dunks, that's like been like the main highlight. Those dunks have dropped for like, you know, I think for the past week or so. I've yet to hit on any single dunks. I want some, but I haven't hit on it, so hopefully we do, but comment down below and let me know if you have. So, oh my goodness. Let's go ahead and look at this together. And we about to go ahead and open this. So I went ahead and actually purchased these from GOAT. So that's where I finally went ahead and pulled the trigger for those. Let's go ahead and open this up. Let's take the tissue paper out, and we're greeted with the box. Look at the presentation, look at the box. Look at the box. You got the brown flight with a red, all right, you could say, yeah, red Jumpman right in the middle of that. Oh, man, they packed this a little tight though. Oh, it's all right, the tighter the better. So let's go ahead and all right, got the box. Let's get the box out the way. Thank you, box, for being in there. My God, here we go. We're about to unbox these in a few minutes. As you can tell too, I do got my brown Travis Scott shirt on. You know, I had to go ahead and be color coordinated as much as I possibly could with this. So without further ado, let's go ahead and peel the lid back. So let's go ahead and peel it back. Ooh, you greeted with a nice red presentation. You do got your cement, like your standard 4 cement paper right there. Pull that back. And there they go right there, baby. You got the left pair, actually the right, this is the right pair of the Taupe Haze. Let me go ahead and grab the other pair. Ooh. And there we go, right there. Let me go and actually go ahead. That's actually everything in the, oh, okay, I was getting ready to say, where's my verification? Here's the GOAT sticker. And, hold on, is that it? Huh, that's it. Normally you have verification box, but all right, that's about it. So there goes for the box right there. Very nice, that mocha Taupe Haze color. I got the Air Jordan 4 Retro. I'm just reading you guys the size tag on it. Air Jordan 4 Retro, Taupe Haze infrared 23, and the size I was able to get was a 10.5. So let's go ahead and put the box right here, and without further ado, let's dive into these beautiful sneakers. Oh, dude, these are fire. These are fire. I don't care what nobody says. These are fire. These are definitely my favorite Air Jordan 4 for 2021. Here we go, right there. Which pair do we want to review first? Let's look at. Oh, what's better for the camera? What do you guys think? You guys want the left or want the right? We do want the right. Okay, so boom, here we go. Right here, we do have the Air Jordan 4 Taupe Haze. These are absolutely clean. I do not care. It's just the color for me. We'll go into the material right now, because the material is a little bit different than what I thought, but still, my opinions originally on a lot of them are still fire. So looking at let's look at the outsole first. You do have 3-tone, you do have black, you do have white, and then you do kind of have that infrared red baby Jumpman right there. And then as you can look up as well as the other part of the outsole, there is that red right there. Looking at the midsole, you do nothing crazy. You do have your white, you have your air unit right there, and then you do have your black, which goes all the way around. Very fire. Coming up to the very front, you do have a nice, it's kind of like, how do I explain this? It's definitely, it's a suede upper, it's a suede taupe brown upper, and then you do have like, you have that speckle of brown right there. It's like a hardened speckle. Honestly, I like it. I think it makes the shoe a little more unique, honestly, if you ask me. Coming up, you do have your laces right there. They are black. You do have your tongue right here, your tongue tag. You got that infrared red, and then you do have the flight right there and stitched. It does say black. It does say black. It does say flight. Sorry, my bad. Coming up to the back, you do have that beautiful Taupe Haze baby Jumpman right there, and you do got your black pull tab. Coming in, looking at the inside of the tongue, it does say Air Jordan, and then the tongue right here is red. Very clean, yo. Let me go ahead and actually take the laces out. Or the insole out, excuse me. I'm tripping, the shoe tree, my bad, I don't know what I'm talking about, sorry. And then as you look inside, you do have your insole is red with a black Jumpman right there, and then your size tag is on the left right there, which is us have 10.5. As you can tell right here, I hope the camera picks it up, it does have like that cracked leather, not leather, but cracked material right there. I think that's honestly cool though, if you ask me. This is just a sneaker that honestly for me, I want it. I can wear this with a lot. I have a lot of brown in my rotation. Other than, you know, green being my favorite color, brown is like literally the next best thing for me. Honestly, love it. Really do wish one thing though. I wish they would have implemented maybe like some more laces. That would have been cool too. I know a lot of people obviously compare these to their friends and family of the Travis Scott 4s that had to come out. I don't know if they came out or it was a sample, but that's basically where a lot of similarities and comparisons can be like related to this shoe from. But nonetheless though, I'm happy I got these. Let me go ahead and get you the other one, so kind of like a side by side a little bit. These are definitely going to be on feet for sure. I got socks to match with them. I mean, check out the socks I got. I got that, you know, that brownish, not the exact same material. Oh, you know what? Actually it is. It is about the same material. Then I also got black as well. So my only thing is I really wish they would have went ahead and added in some more laces. I think that would have been really cool. But nonetheless though, they executed the sneaker perfectly. I do love it a lot. I mean, you can even ask a lot of my people that I've like, you know, when they first, shout out to my boy actually, Chris Young. He was an upcoming sneaker YouTuber as well. And he actually got these and I was like, when he got them, I was like, oh, I gotta have them. I gotta have them. So that was a little treat to myself for me graduating school. So I just really, you know, I was like, you know what, let me go ahead and do it. Glad you guys have stuck around so you can actually check this out. I will give you guys an overview right now. So check out these sneakers right now. Here they go right here, the Air Jordan 4 Taupe Haze. Just look at these. Just look at these. I know a lot of people probably aren't the biggest fan of that cracked leather. I hear that's probably the biggest complaint. People were like, you know, they could have done so much without, but still though, like it's still a fire shoe though. Hands down my favorite 4 of 2021 for sure. Probably literally my favorite sneaker for 2021. I don't care what no one says. My favorite sneaker for 2021. So there they go right there. This is gonna go ahead and conclude the video of the Air Jordan 4 Taupe Hazes. Comment down below and let me know what you think about these. Do you pass on them? Will you eventually, like me, will you try to go ahead and get them in the future, or have been trying to get them? Let me know. I really appreciate it. Honestly, I just thank you guys so much for the love and support that you guys have shown. I can't believe we're literally at 820 subscribers. You guys are literally amazing. Thank you guys for the love and support. Keep going with it. I'm gonna try to be as more consistent as I possibly can. I'm gonna go ahead and break away to the on-feet review for you guys. I really appreciate everything that you do for me. I really do. Watching, commenting, you know I always try to get back to you as soon as I possibly can. So keep going. And if I can't get back to you as fast as I can, trust me, message me over on Instagram. I will get back to you. I really will get back to you, because if you reach out to me, or if you're showing me love or showing me support, I have to. That's just something for me. I have to, honestly. So here they go right here. Like I said, comment down below. Let me know. I'm gonna ready and break away to an on-feet review. Thank you guys so much for the love and support. It really means a lot. Always remember, there's only ever gonna be one you. So be the best you. Seriously, be the best you, for real. And until next time, it has been your kid. It has been your boy. Left, right, I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.